Alam mo, huwag kang maghanap ng taong maiintindihan ka. Ang hanapin mo, yung hindi ka iiwan kahit hindi ka naiintindihan. Kasi real connection is not always about perfect understanding. It's about consistent presence. Kasi ikaw mismo may mga araw din na hindi mo maintindihan yung sarili mo. Your mood, your struggles, your silent battles. And alam mo, okay lang yan. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao makakasabay sa version mo. Some will understand you only when you're winning. Only when you're strong. Only when you're easy to love. But the right people, they stay. Even when you are confusing. Even when you're quiet. Or even when you're still figuring out life out. Kasi tandaan mo, love is proven not when everything makes sense, but when things feels heavy and they still choose to stay.